long A sound words. Rule 1. If letter A comes between two consonants and then the letter E comes at the end of the word, then A makes a long sound. That is consonant A, consonant E. S-A-F-E, safe. T-A-P-E, tape. C-A-S-E, case. V-A-S-E, vase. S-A-M-E, same. G-A-M-E, game. F-A-M-E, fame. C-A-M-E, came. C-A-K-E, cake. B-A-K-E, bake. T-A-K-E, take. L-A-K-E, lake. F-A-R-E, fair. C-A-R-E, care. M-A-L-E, male. S-A-L-E, sail. M-A-K-E, make. S-L-A-T-E, slate. P-L-A-T-E, plate. R-A-C-E, race. B-A-S-E, base. L-A-C-E, lace. F-A-C-E, face.